Good morning, friends. Today our topic is how Indian lawyers can become UK solicitor. So today we will discuss a very important topic for Indian lawyers, law students, and advocates who want to build an international legal career. The topic is how Indian lawyers can become a UK solicitor. Many lawyers in India are interested in working with international law firm or practicing in cross-border law legal practice. One of the most recognized pathway for this is qualifying and solicitor in England and Wales. The qualification process is regulated by the Solicitor Regulation Authority, which set the professional standard for solicitors in England and Wales. Understanding the role of a solicitor. In the United Kingdom legal system, lawyers and are generally divided into two-part category: solicitors, barristers. Solicitor usually handle legal advisory work, client interaction, drafting of legal documents, and transactional matters. Barristers primarily represent clients in higher court and focus on courtroom advocacy. Many international law firm operates through solicitors, which make this qualification particularly valuable for lawyers interested in global practice. The new pathway solicitors qualification examination SQE. Earlier, becoming a solicitor requires completing the legal practice course and a training contract. However, the UK has introduced a new qualification system called the Solicitor Qualification Examination, commonly known as the SQE. The system allows candidates from different jurisdictions, including India, to qualify through a standardized assessment. Step 1: Education qualification. To appear for SQE, a candidate must have a degree. The degree does not necessarily need to be a law degree. However, Indian law graduates already have a strong legal foundation which helps in understanding the subject covered in the SQE. Passing SQE stage 1. The first stage of the examination is SQE 1. This stage tests functional legal knowledge. Subject includes business law, contract law, tort law, criminal law, property law, trust law. The examination is conducted in the form of multiple choice questions designed to test particular practical application of legal knowledge. Step 2. Step 3. Passing SQE stage 2. After clearing SQE 1, candidate must pass SQE 2. This stage tests practical legal skills such as legal drafting, legal research, client interviewing, advocacy, legal writing. The purpose of this stage is to assess whether candidate can perform tasks expected from a solicitor in the real legal practice. Qualifying step 4 is qualifying work experience. Candidate must complete qualifying work experience. This experience can be obtained in law firm, legal departments, legal clinics, international legal organizations. Unlike the previous system, candidate may complete this experience in a flexible manner. Step 5. Character and suitability assessment. Before being admitted as a solicitor, candidate must satisfy the character and stability requirements established by the Solicitor Regulation Authority. Once all requirements are fulfilled, the candidate can admitted as an qualified solicitor of England and Wales. Benefit of Indian lawyers. For Indian lawyers, qualifying as a solicitor can provide access to international legal work such as cross-border commercial transactions, international arbitration, corporate advisory services, global law firm practice. It also enhances professional credibility in multinational legal environments. Conclusion: to summarize, Indian lawyers can become UK solicitors by holding a degree, passing SQE 1, passing SQE2, complete qualifying work experience, meeting character and suitability requirements. With structured preparation and consistent efforts, this pathway can open new opportunity in the international legal profession. Thank you for watching. This is Advocate Dr. Saurabh Kapoor. If you have any question regarding this thing, just WhatsApp me on my personal number. I'm dropping down the link of all the platforms. Join my legal WhatsApp group to be more aware of the topic and everything. I would be more than happier to help you out there. Okay, so join my all the platforms. Thank you.